Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to open directly a PDF file with Adobe or any other reader when downloaded from Firefox or Google Chrome. This is the default setting. Both Firefox and Chrome open PDFs like this, but a lot of people don't like to work directly in the browser. In Chrome, you need to go into Settings and then inside Settings. Now look for Content and open the Additional Content settings. In PDF documents, you need to set Download PDF instead of Open PDF in Chrome. There we go. Now, if you want, you can click Always Open in Adobe Reader to automatically open PDF files every time you download one. In Firefox, similarly to Chrome, all you need to do is open the settings and then type PDF in the search bar. Now, in the relative content type, change from Open in Firefox to Use Windows Default Application. As you can see, Firefox is more versatile and customizable if you have specific needs. I have done this video because I have seen a lot of extensions and additional programs that do this, when it requires no time or effort to do it from browser settings. Remember to be safe and install only trusted extensions. I hope I have been helpful. See you in the next video.